going on, guys? I'm TJ Dillashaw, two-time UFC bantamweight champion, and this is my Ford Raptor, and man, do I love this thing. It's my everyday vehicle. I take it to and from the gym, use it as a locker room, throw my sweaty clothes in the back, gloves in the back seat. Shoot, I'll use it on hunting trips and taking it four-wheeling. It's good for everything. SCT is giving me one of their Livewire vision performance monitors to track this truck's performance. For those of you that don't know SCT, they've been big players in the automotive tuning space for a long time. This is their first monitoring only device. As a professional athlete, I'm big into tracking my performance, anywhere from my hormone levels, my hair analysis, my heart rate variability while I sleep. Also, I know that I'm at an optimal level. I'm adding this device to my truck so I can track its performance as well. Let me show you how the Livewire Vision installs. The setup is simple. In the box, you got a monitor, a mount, and two cables. One plugs the monitor into your vehicle, the other plugs your monitor into your computer to check for updates. You can get the updated on the SCT website, all through the link below. When it comes time to install, you'll take this end of your OBD2 cable, plug it into your vehicle, you'll take this in and plug it into your monitor, and that's it. All right, let's go through this Livewire Vision. Most of you guys are probably here for the gauges and data logging. Pretty freaking cool to log all your data, what's been going on. Maybe you've been towing another vehicle on a trailer or pulling a boat. I take my razor and hit the dunes, right? So I can track that activity and see what it's been doing on those trips for future trips and make sure my truck's been running optimal, right? Something I think is really cool is the vehicle functions here. You know, those codes, those pesky codes that come up on your vehicle, check engine lights or whatever it may be, and you have no idea what they are. Not only can you find out what they are, but you can also clear them. I find that amazing. That's that. And then the performance test. Performance test is pretty cool. It'll test your my truck to go 0 to 60, how fast I'm doing that in. It'll give me a quarter mile, how fast I'm doing it, and also my braking. So you can really test the performance of your vehicle. Maybe I had to change out the brakes. I can really test it out and see if it really made a difference if I spent my money wisely. I think that's pretty awesome as well. Tracking your performance of your vehicle is very important. The same way I track my body for optimal performance inside that octagon, same thing you should be doing with your vehicle. Say I was pulling a trailer, pulling my boat, pulling my Malibu out to Havasu. I want to see how it reacted to having that weight behind it. Right now I got it on a performance test. I'm waiting to go 0 to 60, see how fast my truck will go. Slow start. 6 seconds, bro. That's not good. Man, but SCT is the best in the business for tracking the vitals of your truck, the performance, everything. Shoot, they're so good I might even have them track my vitals. Just playing, man. But if you guys are interested in tracking the performance of your vehicle, make sure to check out the link. I'll put it in the description.